This is the 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor, and calling it a big pickup without an understatement. It's long, wide, and tall, and absolutely impossible to ignore. This is basically for saying what if a pickup truck had a gym membership. And here's in Jinan, China, the American giant definitely stands out. Look at the massive wheel wrapped with BFGoodrich all-terrain E/A KO2 tires. They're built for dirt, rock, serious off-road abuse. Judging by the size of the truck, the tires aren't the only thing that need to be out. And you get the enormous black Grille aggressive LED headlights, integrated indicators, fog light, and rugged steel bumper. Absolutely not. That's exactly the point. From the front to the rear, the Raptor just keeps going. You get a huge dimension, practical side steps, massive cargo bed. If you're looking for a smaller city car, you may have taken the wrong turn. Let's open the tailgate. The bed gives you serious cargo space with protection from mud, dirt, and water. You have even got a power outlet back here. So yes, you can carry your luggage, equipment, and apparently prepare for the apocalypse. Inside, things get much more civilized. You have got leather, huge central display, fully digital driver display, a steering wheel packed with controls. Then there's a red Raptor logo in the middle. A nice reminder that this isn't your grandma F-150. The screen is extremely responsive, although occasionally it could use another cup of coffee. The cabin mixes leather, black trim, and red accents. The rear vent looks great. The door handle feels properly rugged, and everything has that tough Raptor character. It's not trying to be a German luxury lounge. It's trying to survive in the world. The huge central screen controls a lot of vehicle functions, but thankfully, Ford hasn't forgotten physical buttons. You have got dedicated controls for the cameras, for the traction control, for the hazard lights, and for the climate system. And underneath the screen, you've got proper volume and turning knobs. Physical buttons. Humanity survives another day. Then you got 2H, 4H, 4 low, four-wheel drive modes, plus trailer brake controls. This thing is serious when the pavement ends. There's also useful power outlet, 12 volt, 230 volts, 400 watt, AC outlet. Storage is another strong point. You have got large compartment on the passenger side, wireless charging, two cup holders, phone storage, and a huge center armrest. Yes, you can extend it enough to use your laptop. So technically, you could work from here inside your car. Whether you actually should is another question. where the Raptor's enormous size becomes a very good thing. There's load of legroom. Someone around 6 foot 6 can sit comfortably. The rear seats are extremely large, well padded, and finished with leather and stitching. You have also got door storage and plenty of room for bottle and everyday items. And when you need more cargo space, the rear seats can fold up. So yes, this giant truck is surprisingly practical. There is no sunroof, but honestly, you probably won't complain. There's already enough space in here to lose a small child. Rear passengers get ear vents, large armrests, big cup holders, more power outlets, including the same 230-volt, 400-watt outlet for the rear passengers. Your passengers might actually have more charging options than your house. The Ford F-150 Raptor offers 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 450 horsepower, 691 Newton meters of torque, and US specification. Yes, it's good for city driving and parking, an interesting experience. You buy it because you want something big, bold, loud, aggressive, capable, and a little bit crazy. This is Car Pursuit. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.